This is a really massively exciting day for us. This is the third generation of Range Rover Sport. It's brand new from the ground up, it's bristling with technology, and it's only the third generation of Range Rover Sport in 17 years since we redefined the segment called the first Range Rover Sport. Well, we've got some wonderful new technology with Range Rover Sport. We've got some incredible electrified and electrifying powertrains. We've got a 6-cylinder petrol, a 6-cylinder diesel, a plug-in hybrid that's got 113 kilometres of pure EV range, and that would get you from 0 to 100 kilometres per hour in 5.4 seconds. There's a V8 petrol engine. But what's really exciting from 2024, there'll be an all-electric version of Range Rover Sport as well. Well, this vehicle has to be capable on all terrains, whether it's on-road or off-road. On-road, it's got that incredible dynamic, sporty character, but then it's got all of that capability off-road as well. And just as you've seen in the spillway, it's absolutely amazing off-road. And it's really that combination of characters, on-road and off-road, that has defined Range Rover Sport since we launched the first generation back in 2005. This car is exhilarating, it's fun to drive, it's dynamic to drive. It can also be refined in your everyday driver as well. It really is a wonderful all-rounder, it's an incredible machine.